Welcome to the Auto Experience, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews, news, and insights. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone looking to stay informed, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 BMW i3, a vehicle that's been generating a lot of excitement in the electric car world. The BMW i3 has been a pioneer in the electric vehicle space, and the 2025 model brings with it some intriguing upgrades, new features, and design changes. So, let's take a closer look at what the 2025 BMW i3 has to offer. The 2025 BMW i3 represents the next generation of the i3, continuing BMW's legacy of blending sustainability with premium performance. The electric compact car has always been known for its unique design, and this model further refines its iconic appearance while also offering modern technological enhancements and improved driving dynamics. As we explore the key features of the 2025 BMW i3, we will break down its performance, interior, exterior design, tech features, and more to give you a comprehensive view of what this electric car is all about. When it comes to the exterior, the 2025 BMW i3 stays true to its unconventional design that first set it apart from other cars in the segment. The compact dimensions make it perfect for urban environments, where maneuverability is key. The 2025 model retains the signature narrow headlights and large kidney grilles that have become synonymous with the BMW brand. However, the design has been subtly updated, with sharper lines and a more streamlined look that enhances its futuristic appeal. The materials used in the car's construction also reflect BMW's commitment to sustainability, with recycled and eco-friendly materials incorporated into both the body and interior. The 2025 i3 comes with new alloy wheel designs and a variety of fresh exterior color options, allowing buyers to customize their vehicle to suit their tastes. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW i3 packs some impressive performance features. The electric powertrain is powered by a high-capacity battery that delivers an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge. This is a significant improvement over previous models, making the i3 a much more practical option for daily commutes or longer road trips. The battery is paired with an efficient electric motor that provides smooth acceleration and a responsive driving experience. The car's acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just around 5.5 seconds, which is remarkable for a compact electric car. BMW's engineers have worked hard to ensure that the i3's driving dynamics remain engaging, offering a blend of power, control, and comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 BMW i3 is its advanced regenerative braking system. This system recovers energy during braking, which helps to extend the vehicle's range. It also allows the driver to adjust the level of regenerative braking, providing a more customizable and enjoyable driving experience. In terms of handling, the 2025 i3 offers a smooth and precise ride, thanks to its low center of gravity, which comes from the placement of the battery beneath the floor. This results in excellent stability and cornering capabilities, making the i3 a fun car to drive in both city streets and winding roads. Inside the cabin, the 2025 BMW i3 offers a luxurious and tech-forward interior. The materials used in the cabin reflect BMW's commitment to both sustainability and quality. The seats are upholstered in eco-friendly materials such as recycled fabrics and leather alternatives, giving the car a modern yet environmentally conscious feel. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, making the car ideal for long drives, while the rear seats offer sufficient space for passengers. The cabin layout is minimalist, with clean lines and a user-friendly interface that reduces clutter. Tech-wise, the 2025 BMW i3 is packed with the latest innovations. The center console features a large touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, including navigation, climate control, and media options. BMW's iDrive system has been further refined for ease of use and quick response. The car also comes with a premium sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and a range of smart connectivity options. For drivers who want more convenience, there's an available semi-autonomous driving system that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking assistance. The 2025 i3 also supports over-the-air updates, meaning it can receive the latest software enhancements without needing to visit a service center. When it comes to safety, the 2025 BMW i3 is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. BMW has made sure that the i3 not only delivers an exciting driving experience but also provides peace of mind with its robust safety features. The i3 has received high marks in crash tests, which further emphasizes its commitment to occupant protection. As for the charging capabilities, the 2025 BMW i3 supports both standard and fast charging. With a home charger, you can fully charge the battery overnight, while a DC fast charger can bring the battery to 80% in under 40 minutes, making it more convenient for long-distance travel. The car's charging port is conveniently located, and BMW offers a range of apps to help track charging progress and find nearby charging stations. In terms of pricing, the 2025 BMW i3 is positioned as a premium compact electric car, so it comes with a higher price tag compared to some of its competitors. However, for those who prioritize cutting-edge technology, performance, and sustainability, the 2025 i3 represents a compelling option. The base model starts at a competitive price, but higher trims with additional features and options will naturally cost more. BMW also offers various incentives and financing options, making it easier to get behind the wheel of this impressive electric vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW i3 is an exceptional electric vehicle that combines innovative technology, performance, and sustainability. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a stylish and eco-friendly vehicle, the i3 delivers on all fronts. With its unique design, advanced features, and remarkable driving dynamics, the 2025 BMW i3 is a great choice for anyone looking to step into the world of electric vehicles. If you're interested in learning more about the BMW i3 or any other cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest reviews and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the next Auto Experience video.